Namaste. Hi friends. Welcome back to the online maths class. And today in this presentation we are going to see some interesting facts about arithmetic progression. Have a look at this tapioca plant. Here the distance between each consecutive leaf node remains the same. So if we list out the distances from bottom of the plant to the leaf node of each successive leaf, the sequence of numbers so obtained forms an AP. Now observe this bamboo plant. Here the distance between the consecutive internodes of a bamboo is equal. So if we find the distance from the foot to each successive internodes of a bamboo, the list of numbers hence obtained forms an AP. And here's a ladder made up of bamboo. A ladder has been made in such a way that the distance between its consecutive rungs always remains the same. So, if we find the distance or the length from bottom to each successive rungs of the ladder, the sequence of the numbers obtained forms an AP. Now we are going to see some constructions which involves AP. While constructing stairs, the rise or height of each steps remains the same. So, if we find the perpendicular distance from bottom to the tread or top of each successive steps, the list of numbers hence obtained forms an arithmetic progression, that means an AP. Now look at this tiled roof of the house. Here the number of tiles in each row decreases uniformly from bottom to the top. If we write the number of tiles as a sequence, the list of numbers hence obtained forms an AP. This is the top view of a building, and in this roof, if we consider the design as concentric circles, the radii of successive circles increases uniformly and hence it forms an AP. And one more thing is, the circumference is also in arithmetic progression. Here, the cornice, that is the ornamental projections in the tower of a church or in a building, is constructed in such a way that the height of the cornice on either side of the building always remains the same. So, if we list out the height from bottom of the building to the top of each cornice, it forms an arithmetic progression, that means an AP. And the most interesting and amazing fact is, while walking, the footprints of a person goes in AP, because in order to keep the balance of our body, knowingly or unknowingly, we maintain the same gap between each and every step. This is not the end. If you observe in nature and around us, you may realize that many things follows arithmetic progression.